second law. What is the formula of Newton's second law? F equal to dp by dt. External force acting on the body is directly proportional to rate of change of linear momentum. సారిన ప్రపోర్షనల్గా అంటే ప్రపోర్షనల్ రిమూవ్ టు రైట్ కాన్స్టెంట్ experimentally constant value 1. Okay, look here. In the situation F equal to d by dt of, look here now, linear momentum definition is the product of mass and velocity. Okay, generally mass is constant. Generally mass is constant. Generally mass is a constant for any body. In this situation here, look here, this is the constant, this is the variable. In this situation constant right outside m into dv by dt. This is finally write F equal to m into velocity by time is called acceleration. Next now, look here now, all of you very clear the board. Look here, F equal to, look here, d by dt of mass into velocity. Okay, in this step I take again. In the situation the question is conveyor belt. Conveyor belt can see, conveyor belt is nothing but the belt. It is bearable. It is dragged the sand. This belt is used in the cement factories. Nana ఎందుకు వాడతారు సార్ అంటే జునాయిది నా శాండ్ తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి వాడతారు. కన్వేయర్ బెల్ట్ ఓఆర్ఆర్ రాకెట్. In the two situations here mass is not a constant, velocity is a constant. General all cases mass is constant, but conveyor belt, rocket, velocity is a constant, mass is not a constant. Here V constant, it constant right outside. Look here, F equal to V into dm by dt. This is the another formula for force. Here mass is variable, here velocity is variable. What is the final expression? F and a ma. But some special case, the special case is conveyor belt, rocket, mass is variable, velocity is constant. రుచిత్ అడగవచ్చు, రాకెట్లో ఎలా సార్ అంటే రాకెట్ మూవింగ్ అప్వర్డ్ సమ్ ఫ్యూయల్ విల్ బి డిసపియర్. ఫ్యూయల్ డిసపియర్ అంటే మన ఫ్యూయల్ డిసపియర్ మీన్స్ mass of the rocket decreases but velocity of the rocket is always constant. Right? I discuss. Okay, what is the Newton's second law in terms of mass and acceleration? The product of mass and acceleration. Okay, this is the formula for F equal to ma. But to solve the problems A not directly given, in this situation we use kinematic equation. We know what is the kinematic first equation in the 10th class. V equal to u plus at. What is the kinematic second equation? S equal to ut plus half at square. What is the kinematic third equation? V square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay? What is the kinematic first equation? V equal to u plus at. What is the kinematic second equation? S equal to ut plus half at square. What is the kinematic third equation? V square minus u square equal to 2as. Here Nana, what is the a value? Plus other side minus. Simply v minus u equal to at. Here numerator other side denominator. Finally, what is the a value according to kinematic first equation? V minus u by t. According to data, here a is replaced. What is the our agenda? F equal to ma. A in terms of v u t. What is the formula? V minus u by t. Simply, what is the force formula? M into a. But a write as v minus u by t. Okay? Next one. In the situation, body initially at rest. Initially at rest means u becomes 0. A body from rest or initially at rest. Initially at rest means initial velocity is 0. S equal to half at square. According to this situation, a equal to 2s by t square. Okay, this is the formula for acceleration. In the situation, f equal to ma. What is the a value? 2s by t square. Okay, look here. Here, according to this formula, here numerator other side denominator. What is the a value? V square minus u square by 2s. Okay? But we determine in the chapter force none. F and ma. Here, what is the a value? V square minus u square by 2s. These three formulas very useful to solve the force form problems. In the three formulas, replacement of a. I discuss Newton's third law. Newton's third law. Newton's third law. In the Newton's third law, for example, this is the ball. This is the wall. Ball hits a wall. What happens? Wall is always rest. But ball hits a wall. Again ball rebound. Simply ball says a action. Wall says a opposite reaction. Once again I repeat. Here ball hits a wall. Here ball says a action. Wall says a opposite reaction. Another example, okay? Gun bullet. Here bullet fires. Bullet moving forward direction. Gun moving backward direction. Gun slightly recoil. Its meaning is bullet says a action. Gun says a opposite reaction. Bullet says a action. Gun says a opposite reaction. That is called Newton's third law. Every action is equal and opposite reaction, that is called Newton's third law. That is called Newton's third law. Every action is equal and opposite reaction. Action and reaction acts on two different bodies. Example, ball and wall, gun and bullet, gun and bullet. Simply action equal to minus reaction. These action and reaction acts on two different bodies. Action equal to minus reaction. Minus indicate opposite reaction. Action is nothing but the force. Reaction is nothing but the force. What is the Newton's third law? Every action is equal and opposite reaction. Here, action and reaction acts on two different bodies. Here, action equal to minus opposite reaction. Minus opposite reaction. Okay, Nana? Okay, say reaction. So, cut this complete. Change in momentum problems. Here, change in momentum. Change in momentum denoted by final momentum minus initial momentum. Once again, change in momentum called as final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, look here. In the situation, okay, once again repeat, change in momentum is final momentum and initial momentum. Here, momentum is a vector and always follow the direction. Suppose body moves along x-axis, unit vector write as I cap. Suppose body moving along negative x-axis, it write as minus I cap. Okay, body moving along y-axis, unit vector write as j cap. Negative y-axis minus j cap. Positive z-axis k cap. Okay. And negative z-axis minus k cap. Okay, look here now. In the situation, voice struck Sriram నీ దగ్గర చెక్ చేసుకో నెట్. Here, change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. Here, I can explain. This is the wall, Nana. Here, look here, this is the ball, okay? Here, ball hits a wall and again rebound. Ball hits a wall and again rebound. Ball hits a wall and again rebound. Here, Nana, ball mass m, Nana, initial speed u, Nana. Here, ball mass m, Nana. Here, rebound speed is initial speed v, final speed also v. Once again, I repeat. Ball hits a wall with a speed v. Rebound, again same speed, Nana. In this situation, find change in momentum. What is the change in momentum definition? The definition is final momentum minus initial momentum. Momentum defined as mass into velocity mv and momentum follows direction. Here, this finally ball moves along positive x-axis. So here write I cap. Sriram Chudal minus here ball in this situation M V. Look here Nana. In this situation ball moves negative x-axis, that right minus I cap. Here MV I cap minus of minus plus MV I cap. In the situation MV plus MV 2MV I cap. Finally we get 2MV I cap. Here I cap indicate body moves along the positive x-axis. Overall, this I cap indicate body moves away from the wall. Simply here change in momentum away from wall. Right. Krishna wall nana. This is the ball nana. This is normal of the wall. Normal of the wall means perpendicular to wall. Here ball hits the wall with a speed v. This ball makes an angle theta. This ball makes an angle theta with the normal of the wall, and again rebound, same speed and same angle theta with the normal. Once again repeat the question. Here ball of mass m, okay, ball of mass m with a speed v makes an angle theta with the normal of the wall, and rebound with the same speed a angle theta with the normal. Look here. Nana, this is original speed, this is rebounding speed. Both are same. In the situation, find change in momentum. Okay, Nana? ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఎడగండి. ఫస్ట్ ఇది తీసుకుందాం. బాల్ మాస్ ఎంత MVM. In the situation, Sriram, look here. Here, this is the, according to this point, vector inward. Components also inward. This is XY plane. So resolve. Angle says cos theta. Okay. Here M V sin theta. Once again I repeat. According to this point, ball inward. Components also inward. Next situation. Look here. This is here. According to this point, ball away. So components also away. Angle says cos theta, remaining will be sin theta. This is XY plane. First I take change in momentum along x direction. Change in momentum definition is final momentum minus initial momentum. Look here. Change in momentum definition is final momentum minus initial momentum. Look here. Here Nana, along x direction, this is the final momentum. M V cos theta. Okay? Along x direction, its unit vector is I cap. Minus M V cos theta. Here along negative x direction. Here write minus I cap, minus into minus plus. Finally write as mv cos theta, mv cos theta, 2mv cos theta I cap, plus I cap indicate away from the wall. Next situation, change in momentum along y direction is how much? Change in momentum, initial momentum. Okay, look the diagram along y axis. Along y axis, this is final momentum, this is initial momentum. Final momentum mv sin theta, this is moving downward, its meaning is along negative y axis, simply minus j cap minus mv sin theta, initially momentum also downward, minus j. Here minus into minus plus, plus minus cancel, change in momentum along y axis becomes 0. Okay, in this pattern to solve the problems. This is two-dimensional. In the two-dimensional, to see x will be divided, y will be divided, change in momentum along x-axis, change in momentum along y-axis. Here ball makes an angle theta with the normal of the wall. This is the agenda of the question. Okay, Nana, in this pattern.